There's something quietly happening behind the scenes of your favorite apps, tools, and even your voice. Machines are learning, not just to answer questions, but to speak like us, create like us, even think like us. And while most people scroll past it, some of us see exactly what's coming. This is AI Host, and what you're about to hear might just change how you see the world.
Just a few years ago, AI was a buzzword. Now it's writing books, coding websites, making movies, cloning voices, and replacing full-time jobs faster than anyone expected. What used to take weeks now takes minutes. What used to need 10 people now needs one, or none. And it's not just tools, it's a tidal wave. Let me name a few tools we never saw coming. Runway, type a sentence, and it makes a video. ElevenLabs, feed it your voice, and it talks like you. Midjourney and Doll. Enter a prompt, and it paints a masterpiece. AutoGPT, Claude, Gemini, and of course ChatGPT, tools that can run full projects with barely a human involved. We're not just using apps anymore. We're training digital minds to be the creators.
Now, let's be honest. This is exciting. A 15-year-old can launch a business from their bedroom using free AI tools. A content creator can make 10 videos a day with just text and a laptop. A musician can compose an album in one afternoon using voice AI and virtual instruments. But here's the dark side. The same tools can create fake news, clone voices for scams, or generate deepfake videos that fool millions. We're creating digital power without digital ethics, and that's the real challenge.
Ever wonder why this channel exists? It's simple. I started AI Host not to scare you, but to help you ride the wave of AI. Here, we test tools, break them down, and separate hype from reality. I'll show you how to use AI to create, grow, and protect yourself. Because you shouldn't watch the future from the sidelines, be part of it. Every week, I'll drop the most powerful AI breakthroughs, tools, and stories. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, student, or just someone who's curious, this is the place to sharpen your edge. Hit subscribe if you're ready to lead in the age of AI. Because while most fear what's coming, we host it. This is AI Host, and the future just clocked in.